Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
How did a college dropout जो पिज्जा डिलीवर करता था end up being a crypto millionaire? मैं बात कर रहा हूँ एरिक फिगमैन की एंड लेट मी टेल यू ये बंदा लक की वजह से मिलियनेयर नहीं बना. उसकी फोरसाइट एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग स्किल्स बहुत ज़्यादा टॉप नॉच थी बिकॉज ऑफ विच हिज पोर्टफोलियो वॉज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. तो जब ये एक ड्रॉप आउट एक स्ट्रॉन्ग पोर्टफोलियो से इतना कुछ कर सकता है देन आई डोंट थिंक वी शुड बी वेटिंग फॉर एनीथिंग, especially when bull run is around the corner. बुल रन वो पीरियड होता है जब फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में सारे एसेट्स जैसे स्टॉक्स, क्रिप्टो करेंसीज आर ऑन एन ऑल टाइम राइज. ये टाइम पर ऑल द इन्वेस्टर्स कॉन्फिडेंस इज हाई एंड एक जनरल एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है अपवर्ड ट्रेंड की. एंड बेयर मार्केट वेल इसका एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट होता है. Hey you guys, I'm Ali Solanki, a blockchain developer, YouTuber and co-founder of Watermelon Gang and मैं crypto space में काफी टाइम से हूँ. In this video, we are going to look at how can you up your crypto game to the next level. I remember जब मैंने first time crypto में invest किया था, excitement तो काफी थी, but yeah, डर भी था. Fast forward to today, through trial and error and a lot of learning, I've found strategies that have worked wonders. And that's exactly what I'm going to share over here. So ठीक है, let's begin with the basics. Diversification के बारे में बात करते हैं. सबसे पहले तो why do we even need to diversify? So हुआ क्या कि May 2022 में Luna dropped by 99% in just a matter of few hours. अब इसके पीछे काफी सारे factors थे, but mainly it was because Luna had a stable coin UST, which lost its peg to US dollar. मतलब stable coins are supposed to maintain a fixed value to a specific asset, in this case to US dollars. And वो change हो गया तो investors confidence नीचे चले गया. एंड इसकी वजह से लोगों ने एकदम से पैनिक सेलिंग कर दी. सो टू पुट इट ब्लंटली, वो लोग जिनके पोर्टफोलियो में लूना का हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन था लर्न द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ डाइवर्सिफिकेशन द हार्ड वे. नाउ इन अ मार्केट एज वॉलेटाइल एज क्रिप्टो, डाइवर्सिफिकेशन तो ऑब्वियस बन जाती है. पिक्चर इट लाइक दिस, you wouldn't want all your eggs in just one basket, right? Same goes with all of your investments. It's always best to diversify your investments rather than एक ही जगह पे सब कुछ लगाना. तो क्रिप्टो के काफी सारे कैटेगरीज होते हैं, लाइक करेंसी कॉइन्स लाइक बिटकॉइन, प्लेटफॉर्म कॉइन्स लाइक इथेरियम, स्टेबल कॉइन्स जैसे USDC, NFTs and so on. So now let's start with the big players. बिटकॉइन एंड इथेरियम. आई एम श्योर ये दोनों नाम तुमने सुने ही होंगे. बिटकॉइन को डिजिटल गोल्ड भी कहते हैं एंड इट्स बिन रॉक सॉलिड इन्वेस्टमेंट ओवर द इयर्स. इट्स लाइक क्रिप्टो का OG. अब इथेरियम इज अ बिट डिफरेंट. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ करेंसी, इट्स लाइक द इंजन पावरिंग सम ऑफ द कूलेस्ट स्टफ इन क्रिप्टो, जैसे DeFi मतलब डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड फाइनेंस, and NFTs meaning non-fungible tokens. And get this, it has leveled up with Ethereum 2.0, making it faster and more efficient than ever. But wait, there's more to diversification than just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's throw in some DeFi coins and some alternatives like AI, meme coins, layer 2 tokens, etc. DeFi is all about shaking up the traditional finance world, giving the power back to the people. No middlemen, no nonsense. Just तुम and तुम्हारे assets. And DeFi game में one of the most popular ones are Uniswap and Aave among others. And abhi coming to talk about the others, AI tokens. With the increasing integration of AI and blockchain, tokens associated with AI projects को काफी ज़्यादा attention मिल रहा है. So you can check them out as well. फिर आते हैं meme coins. I know it's more volatile, लेकिन meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have gotten significant attention and returns as well. They are riskier but offer very high rewards. Next up we have layer 2 tokens. These tokens are associated with projects that aim to solve the scalability issues of major blockchain networks. Investing in layer 2 solutions like Polygon or Arbitrum token could be beneficial as the demand for scalable blockchain solution grows. Then of course NFTs तो है ही. Metaverse token is also something that you can take a look at. अब ये जरूरी नहीं कि सब में इन्वेस्ट करो at the same time, but you never know what's gonna take off next. So it's just good sense to have a small hand in everything with good potential. अब एक काम करते हैं. Let's break down our example portfolio. We'll put 40% into Bitcoin and Ethereum. with 25% in Bitcoin and 15% in Ethereum. ये इसलिए नहीं कर रहे हैं because they are my favorites, actually they are, but because both of these cryptocurrencies have the largest market caps out there. Bitcoin का ही market cap ले लो, it's over 1.3 trillion dollars. Ethereum भी ज़्यादा पीछे नहीं है with a market cap of over 400 billion dollars. And for our DeFi coins, we allocate 20%, splitting it evenly between Uniswap and Aave. ये तो इसलिए because I'm bullish on DeFi. But अगर आपको लगता है you are bullish on AI, तो उस पर हाई परसेंटेज डाल दो और बाकी के 40% कोई और हाई पोटेंशियल कॉइन्स में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि गेमफाई सेक्टर काफी बूम हो सकता है तो शायद उसके कॉइन्स जैसे डिसेंट्रलैंड, एक्सी इन्फिनिटी में भी अपना पोर्टफोलियो अलोकेट कर सकते हो. सी, डाइवर्सिफिकेशन इतना भी कुछ हार्ड टास्क नहीं है. इट्स लाइक बिल्डिंग अ बैलेंस्ड मील. बस इतना मेक श्योर करो दैट you've got a bit of everything for a healthy crypto portfolio. Also, you might have heard the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) gave the green light to spot Bitcoin ETFs from heavy hitters like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Van Eck. अब इसकी वजह से there would be so many new investors that would be exposed to Bitcoin जो अब तक बस sidelines पर वेट कर रहे थे. अब ये समझते हैं कि why is this a big deal and how can it help us strategize for the bull run ahead. ETFs के इंट्रोडक्शन से ये एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है कि इट माइट इंजेक्ट एनीवेयर फ्रॉम $50 billion to $100 billion into Bitcoin this year alone. और इसके वजह से it can significantly impact market dynamics and will also help of kicking a new bull run. ठीक है, so now successful investing के main aspect के बारे में बात करते हैं, which is research. Research is very important for understanding what makes a project tick. जब हमने हमारे पोर्टफोलियो में कॉइन्स ऐड किए थे, we didn't just look at their market caps. No sir, we went into the nitty-gritty details. Take Ethereum for example. हाँ, sure it's a big player in the crypto world, but क्यों? We looked at its role in smart contracts and its plans for Ethereum 2.0, which promises to make it even better. And then there is DeFi, the cool kid on the block. We checked out the top tokens in DeFi based on their market cap, total value locked, and other fundamental aspects that just tell us will the project grow or not. But हमारी ये research वहीं stop नहीं होती. Oh no. We need to keep our finger on the pulse of the market. We're talking about trends, news and all the fancy tech stuff. हाँ, like ठीक है, let's get थोड़ा deep में so we cover all the points. सबसे पहले तो team behind the project. Investigate the team members' backgrounds. A credible team should have a transparent history, experience in blockchain and relevant industries and a clear track record of past achievements. Secondly, market cap analysis. Market capitalization of a cryptocurrency आपको एक idea देता है of its current value in the market. हाँ, of course there's no ideal market cap. It's essential to understand what it implies. फिर आता है white paper and future plans. A project's white paper should clearly outline its purpose, technology, how it intends to evolve and solve existing problems. Remember guys, a vague white paper is a red flag. Next of course is community and ecosystem support. A strong active community can be a good indicator of a project's credibility and longevity. Then we have use case and adoption. ये project कौन से real world problem को solve कर रहा है, ये भी जानना बहुत जरूरी है. A cryptocurrency with a clear use case in a growing sector is more likely to gain traction and deliver returns. Then of course regulatory compliance और legal frameworks भी आ जाते हैं. अब Squid token को ही देख लो. It capitalized on the popularity of Netflix series Squid Game, but lacked fundamental value, a credible team and a clear use case as well. So essentially a scam that left many investors with losses. For instance, DeFi अब blow up हो रहा है with over $100 billion locked in its systems. That's a sign that people are loving what DeFi has to offer and trusting it with their hard-earned cash. Now let's talk about diversification, risk management, timing and adjustment. Sounds fancy, right? So अभी हमारे पोर्टफोलियो को थोड़ा spice up करते हैं with some GameFi. It's like जब gaming meets finance, where players get real awards and earn कर सकते हैं by playing games. Projects like Axie Infinity and Decentraland are leading the charge, showing us कि yeah, there is some real money to be made over here. But हाँ, let's not forget the risk, you know? So we are going to sprinkle in some emerging tech like layer 2 solutions and privacy coins. They might sound fancy, but trust me, they're worth paying attention to. Then comes risk management. Like we saw ऊपर, risk management बहुत obvious and important हो जाता है क्योंकि volatility comes into the picture. We're setting up stop loss orders to protect our investments. So let's understand this अच्छे से पहले. First, decide on the percentage of the trade value you're willing to lose before you exit a position. लोग generally 5 to 10% रखते हैं, but वो ultimately आप पर depend करता है. For example, if you buy a cryptocurrency at $1,000 and set a stop loss at 5%, basically you're willing to tolerate a loss of up to $50. तो आपका stop loss price would be $950. On your trading platform, select the option to set a stop loss order and enter the price you have calculated. $950 here as an example. This action instructs the platform to automatically sell your cryptocurrency if the price falls to $950 ताकि आगे कोई और लॉस ना हो. It's very important कि आप regularly review and adjust करते रहो अपने stop loss orders को based on the current market price of your cryptocurrency and of course आपका risk tolerance as well. ये भी ध्यान रखना कि short term price movements can be tempting, but this leads to bad trades क्योंकि of course FOMO. फिर आप वो पैसा वापस पाने की कोशिश करोगे but chances are you might end up making irrational decisions because you are trying to get back the lost money. This in turn will make you lose more money. इसलिए trying to time the market perfectly can be challenging even during a bull run. So instead of trying to predict short-term price movements, long-term trends and fundamental analysis of the projects you're investing in, उस पर focus करो. Focus on building a solid portfolio of fundamentally strong projects that have the potential to grow over the long term. Oh, and I almost forgot. Moodrex makes this all very easy. इनके पास crypto baskets है. इसके through तुम crypto को buy, sell and hold भी कर सकते हो. And best part is यहाँ तुम्हें coin sets भी मिल जाएंगे. कॉइन सेट्स आती है इस क्रिप्टो बास्केट जिसमें तुम्हें एक ग्रुप ऑफ क्रिप्टो करेंसीज में डायरेक्टली इन्वेस्ट करने का मौका मिलता है. यहाँ तुम्हें कॉइन्स के लिए स्टॉप लॉस एंड टेक प्रॉफिट फीचर्स भी अवेलेबल है. ओवरऑल इट सेव्स द यूजर्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड एफर्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर तुम्हें सिर्फ लार्ज मार्केट कैप वाले क्रिप्टो करेंसीज में ही इन्वेस्ट करना है तो इनके पास क्रिप्टो ब्लू चिप कॉइन सेट्स अवेलेबल है जिससे तुम डायरेक्टली बिटकॉइन, इथेरियम और ऐसे टॉप क्रिप्टो करेंसीज में भी इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. इसके अलावा व्हाट इफ द प्राइस ऑफ द क्रिप्टो करेंसी चेंजेस ड्रास्टिकली, तो यहाँ तुम्हें स्टॉप लॉस एंड टेक प्रॉफिट के भी फीचर्स अवेलेबल है जिससे तुम अपना रिस्क मैनेजमेंट काफी बढ़िया तरीके से कर सकते हो. एंड दिस टू व्हाइल चेकिंग चार्ट्स व्हिच आर अवेलेबल 24/7. So guys, investing in crypto isn't just about throwing your money around. It's about being smart and informed. So with our example portfolio, we've not only spread our investments across different sectors, but at the same time put in place some important risk management techniques. But the crypto world moves very fast. So it's crucial to stay on your toes, stay informed, stay adaptable, and stay disciplined in your research and investment strategies. That's the key to success in this space. As we wrap up, remember to deep dive into each and every project and samjho what makes it tick. And socho about how it fits into your own investment goals and risk tolerance as well. The future of finance is being shaped by cryptocurrencies, and agar aapne informed decisions liye, then you can be a part of an exciting journey ahead. So stay curious, keep researching, and usse hi aap smart choices le paoge. Share karo to everyone you know who is interested in crypto or wants to be. This is Ali Solanki. Until next time, signing off.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.